Reprographic. Hours.
Can I help you with something?
No, I'm good, bro.
No. Were you? Who are you with? Are you work for municipality? So that's a no. Some of the stuff is actually kind of confidential. So
What?
these are for municipality things. These are
What's confidential?
some of the stuff's confidential. So we actually.
Well, if you show me, I'll blur it out. So.
Huh?
If you show me what's
A lot
confidential,
of
I'll
stuff
blur
is
it out.
confidential because it's for internal use
Oh.
personally. So.
Give it
yeah.
up, bro.
I know. Seriously, we have files in here for stuff. So, yeah. So if you're not an MOA employee, we're gonna have to ask you to kind of leave.
Is one of these yours? Is your name Brandon? You work for the state, right?
No, I don't actually work for the state.
Who do you work for?
I work for the municipality of Anchorage.
Okay, so you work for the state.
No, the state
Yeah.
does not. No, that's not how that
The
works.
municipality of Anchorage is ran by the state of Alaska, so you're technically a state employee, so you should be able to give me your information if I ask for it. Isn't that your policy? Or
No.
do I have to look up your policy and come
I
in?
actually don't work for the state.
Okay.
I don't.
You work for the municipality of Anchorage,
Correct.
which is,
Not the state.
so you're a state employee.
No.
Municipal government structure in Alaska. Introduction. The state of Alaska's Constitution, Article X, Section 2, provides that two forms of local government, cities and organized boroughs, form the basic structure of Alaska's municipal government. Both cities and boroughs are municipal corporations and political subdivisions of the state of Alaska. As 29.04.010-.020, Alaska's Constitution also requires that the entire state be divided into organized or unorganized boroughs, based on standards such as natural geographic boundaries, economic viability, and common interests. Article X, Section 3, for the most part, organized boroughs were formed in those areas where economies were better developed. The large portion of the state that is not incorporated as an organized borough is designated the unorganized borough.
Bro,
If you don't give me your name, why should I give you?
I'm not giving you my name. How about that? Huh?
Okay.
I'm just going to call you Karen.
You can call me whatever you want.
I'm just did, Karen. Yeah, I plan to call his boss and make a complaint. I'm getting sick of this kind of attitude. So let's do a little bit of research online. This is what it says on their website. That says Municipality of Anchorage. That looks like a state website to me. What do you do here?
I work in the Reprographics department.
Well, do you sweep the floors? Do you run the vacuum?
I work in the Reprographics
Do you
department.
type on a little keyboard?
I work in the Reprographics department.
Oh, you're gonna play that game, huh?
Well, I don't know. There's a lot of jobs, and you have a camera in front of me. So
Dude, I'm at least 4 feet from you,
Okay.
5 feet from you, maybe more.
I don't know what that has to do with anything. You asked me what
I'm
I do.
not
I
right
work
in
in the
front of you.
Reprographics department. That's what I do. That's why I'm here.
Well, I'm asking you who you are. You're asking me what my information. I don't know who I'm talking to.
Okay.
How do I know that I need to even give you any
I don't know who
information
I'm
about
talking
me?
to either.
I'm a member of the public.
So am I.
I'm a regular person.
So
No,
am I.
you're not. You're working right now. You have an. Oh wait, there's your desk right there.
Yeah.
Reeve.
And I'm a public too. I am a
REVBYRNE. Hey, can you guys look that up for me? That name. Let me zoom in on it for you. There. Can you guys look that up for me real quick? Thanks.
You know, you can just go to the muni.org.
907. Can you Google that real quick?
Google it.
Appreciate it. Or go on their website here.
Yeah, if you go to muni.org, you can actually type in.
You could have just told me it's right there, bro. You don't have to be a dick about it.
I'm not. It's literally right there.
You're
introduce
literally
yourself
being
to
a
me,
dick about it. I don't have to introduce myself to you.
and I don't have to introduce myself to you. It's a fair.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that. I'll check.
Okay.
And if your policy says you do, I'll be back.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and go back to work. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed?
You are. Absolutely.
Is that a filter on your phone?
What?
The filter, is that the dirty thing? Is that a filter?
No, it's not a filter.
Oh, is it just screen protector then?
It's nice when people don't answer your questions, huh?
Yeah, well, you did. You told me it wasn't a filter.
Yeah.
So there you go. Yeah, no, I worked in the Reprographics department. No, yeah, seriously, there's some of the stuff is.
Don't touch me. I'm going to tell you right now, don't touch me.
I'm putting my hand away.
I'm going to tell you right now, don't touch me.
And I'm not.
I'm telling you, don't
You know,
touch me.
this
If
is
you
stuff
touch
for
me,
people.
we're going to have a problem, bro.
I'm not touching you.
Okay, I'm not the guy. Okay,
And I'm not
I'm
either.
not the one. Don't fucking touch me.
Listen,
I'm going to
Joseph.
tell you that right now.
Okay. I'm not. I'm just saying there's stuff in here.
Then you need to put it behind covers so people can't see it.
That's what I'm
This
doing.
is a public area. The door is open to the public. Anybody can walk in here and grab business cards.
Yeah, and you can have a
right,
business card.
and ask information. So why is that where public can view it?
It's not where the public can view it because general only employees from because we're not a public-facing entity.
Close your door then.
Well, unfortunately, the door's locked. So if it closes, there's a code on it. So then
It's
people
locked,
can't come in
huh?
and get their stuff.
It looks to me like it's a public accessible office. So if you don't want any of this stuff being seen, cover it up, hide it.
Well,
So,
unfortunately, I'm not the boss. I can't make the decision.
no.
So that's just internal routing slips.
It's interesting, right?
It's just where all public buildings are. For if somebody has something to go. So for
Yes,
example,
guys, he is butthurt. I see that.
how am I butthurt?
What are those there?
That
You know, you could do. Let's start over. You know, you could do. You could show me what you guys do here. You could be cordial. You could be respectful.
and the same thing goes for you.
I'm not doing is telling you what I'm doing. I'm not telling you my name.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, then what are you doing?
I just told you I'm not telling you my name or what I'm doing.
So can I call you Joe Smith? John Smith?
You can call me a good citizen. How's that?
Hold on a second.
Mr. Good. Like I said, if you don't want it seen, bro, just cover it up, man. Like you did with that down there, see? That's perfect. Delivery record. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Thank you. I designed that.
That's really nice, dude. It's actually pretty good work. What editing software do you use?
We use Adobe.
Adobe. Huh. I'll have to check it out.
But you've never used Adobe?
I use something different.
What do you open source like Affinity stuff?
Yeah, something kind of like that, yeah. Oh, so you guys print stuff off too?
That's what Reprographics is.
Oh, okay.
So that's
Like
actually-
maps and
that's-
stuff?
So, do you have a secondary phone?
I don't, not on me, no.
Okay. So Reprographic, that's what Reprographic is. It's print. It's
Okay.
production.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Huh, well, that's cool.
So, hence Reprographics. As far as what the stuff is, there is stuff here that, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
So that's why I said I would prefer
Okay.
for you not to videotape
Okay.
this stuff.
Well, I just give you a heads up, man. Next time when I leave, get a hold of your supervisor or whatever and just tell him, hey, we need to you know what I mean? Baby, just make sure that nothing's out in the open so that nobody can see it. Because the door is open to the public. It shows your hours
Yeah.
right there.
Because
so.
we're an internal office for municipality.
Yeah, but this
We
is
actually
this
don't deal with
this is a publicly accessible building.
I know that.
You know what I'm saying? So I mean,
Well, yeah, but like as a citizen, right? You would have no business coming in here because we don't offer public. We're not like the permit office or Parks and Rec or AD.
yeah, I get it. There's no reason. I mean, you guys really don't do
And there's
anything.
nothing on this floor
But still,
that would have anything for.
yeah.
There's no reason why a public person would be on because we're not.
I think that this is funded by taxpayers. From what I can see here, this is tax fund paid for.
We are actually we're actually a cost savings center.
Okay.
Do you understand?
What's that symbol on that?
Huh?
Oh, no, there's nothing on there. Okay.
So-
We got candy too.
So
All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I don't really want to have a conversation with you.
Well, you're
so-
asking what we do, right?
Yeah, I really don't give a shit, to be honest. But you have a good day, man.
No, you're asking what we do, right?
Anyways, let's go down here. Conference room. Access please. Huh. That looks like a public office to me. But I bet they closed it because I'm here. How much you want to bet?
No, you put it down that way.
I'm headed where?
Yeah, I did put something to check off.
Hey, is that normally open to the public, sir? Excuse me. Is that normally open to the public?
No.
You sure?
No.
It looks like there's...
Am being recorded?
Why does everybody have to touch? Didn't your parents ever teach you to keep your hands to yourself?
You are, absolutely.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm a contractor, man.
Oh, you work here? Or do you
I'm
work,
a contractor.
so you don't work for the state?
This is the muni. But no, I don't work for either one.
Who are you contracted through?
Tango Technology.
No, technology, okay. All right. Huh.
Yes, I'm being recorded. Almost lay you down if you don't. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, he asked me if I work here and I work for the state. I said, this is the meeting. But no, I don't work for the
Yes, can I help you?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. You can leave though.
That's rude.
Well,